In the kitchen, where love abides, ruthless love's recipes, hearts can't hide. Flavors blend, aromas rise, a culinary journey that opens eyes. Savoring love in every bite. With ruthless love, taste ignites. Delicious dishes made with care. Love and food, a perfect pair. From savor to sweet, each dish a delight. Ruthless love's passion shines so bright. In every stir, a story's told of love and food that never grows old. Savoring love.